My name is Dr. Jaspreet Ball, and I am Dental Director for Clinicas Del Camino Real. I have been with the organization for 15 years and still counting. The mission of Clinicas is to provide quality, comprehensive, and preventative healthcare services to Ventura County's community, and we are honored to be our patient's source of care. Clinicas is unique in that we offer all of our affordable, quality healthcare services all under one roof. At our health centers, patients can conveniently receive medical, dental, vision, mental health, and specialty care services. We also offer walk-in urgent care services for non-emergency injuries or illnesses. Our new health center prioritizes the needs of our patients first. We wanted to create a space that is comfortable, accessible, and easy to navigate. We also offer state-of-the-art medical equipment to support the delivery of our services. Clinicas provides our services through the lens of our patient empowerment, so our patients can take control of their own health and the health of their families. Our goal is to help our community live healthy and happy lives. We are seeing a lot of patients come in that have been with us for a very long time, as our new location is close to home. We are also seeing many new patients who come in from Oxnard and the surrounding areas for all types of care. Clinicas has been Ventura County's trusted source of care for over 50 years. We are continuing to expand so we can best serve our patients and the community with quality healthcare services. As a dental director, I enjoy building our team of dental professionals and working with them to provide the best care possible. However, the most rewarding part of my job is still helping patients improve their oral health and in turn their quality of life, and making sure that they are assigned a dental home. I get to continue to build meaningful relationships with my patients and work with a team that is dedicated to putting our patients first. Schein has been a pleasure to work with, and I would recommend the services to a colleague.